the next 5 to 10 years, we're likely to see the most intensive competition between China and the US. So although we do look for some limited areas of restart of collaboration, but in general, the trend is for more competition. So the probability for issues like sanctions to be lifted at this stage is might not be very high in our view.
Do you think the PBOC will hold the line on the yuan henceforth, Becky?
At this stage, we are indeed still looking for a bit further appreciation of the CNY, and we probably don't think we don't think the CNY strength has come to a level that is intolerable to the Chinese regulators. Especially the softer yuan will only have benefit towards encouraging more export or more export orders. But if we look at the local situation, many of the manufacturers, many of the factories are already finding difficulties in hiring more people, and they are indeed already running at their full capacity. Even when we look at the mid to long-term bank loans lending to the manufacturing sector, it's now already reaching to an all-time historical high level of 20%. So that means many of the factories are unable to produce more at this current stage, and therefore encouraging additional export orders is not the priority to the Chinese government. Instead, we feel they would be using long-term plans, especially allowing a much larger size of outbound investments to balance the cross-border strong capital inflows due to all these bond or equity investments by foreign investors. Very soon, we expect the government to be announcing cross-border programs such as the Cross-Border Wealth Connect program, which eventually leads to much more outbound investment flows rather than the other way around, as well as programs such as Southbound Bond Connect, as an expansion of the QD program. So in general, the government will be allowing a lot more outbound investments by Chinese domestic investors and even households at a later stage. And these would be the most powerful power in terms of balancing the power of the dollar CNY FX outlook in the medium term.